I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato without a machine. First, you'll create a rich custard base using whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and egg yolks. Cook this mixture gently until it thickens slightly, ensuring it doesn't boil. Once your base is ready, it's crucial to chill it completely. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight to ensure it's very cold before the next step. This initial chilling is key for a smooth texture. Once your gelato base is thoroughly chilled, pour it into a shallow, freezer-safe pan. Place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. After this initial freeze, remove the pan and stir the mixture vigorously. This is where you'll prevent large ice crystals from forming. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides and bottom, incorporating all the frozen parts back into the center. Repeat this stirring process every 30 minutes for 2 to 3 hours, until your gelato reaches a soft serve consistency. To achieve that signature creamy gelato texture, whisk the mixture vigorously each time you stir it. This incorporates air, making it lighter and smoother. A little trick is to add about 1 tablespoon of a neutral alcohol, such as vodka, to your base. This helps lower the freezing point, preventing your gelato from becoming rock hard in the freezer. Once it's reached your desired consistency, transfer it to an airtight container. You can enjoy your delicious homemade gelato for up to 5 days. Now for the fun part, customizing your gelato flavors. You can infuse your milk with ingredients like vanilla beans, coffee grounds, or citrus zest during the cooking process for a deeper flavor. After the initial freezing and stirring, swirl in your favorite additions such as fruit purees, chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or even a caramel ripple. The possibilities are endless for creating your perfect treat. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.